In this video, we will build own AI-powered crypto chatbot advisor. Here will show the final output. When we press chatbot and type cryptocurrency name, it will show the information about advice we can see different crypto name, Ethereum's input, Bitcoin price, and search 24 hours, and other information share. Let's start our workflow and rename our workflow as Chatbot Crypto Advisor. Now we will chat message set trigger node and test and run and activate our chat node. Now we will add code node, type code. Yes, first code. Here is we select language JavaScript, and JavaScript code shape I simply paste to short our video length. I will provide this code snip in description. Let's type bitcoins. Yes, it's nothing display, but we can see our code output. Yes, we can see the output. Now we will add HTTP request to get cryptocurrency update from API. Here is just get method and API URL. This URL run, we get output result. Yes, it's raw data. We will show it human readable. We will add another codes. And language is JavaScript, and I paste the code snippet and run again. Before this, we will add AI agent. AI agent node added. We selected the define below value, and now we will add more AI model. We'll add Google Gemini chat model. As search on Google Gemini APIs. The second result is explore. In this, we can see create API key. Here click. Here pop-up box. We just type our project name will be show. Yes, my Gemini. Yeah, I create a API key for this project and copy and edit and save and connect. Yes, it's work. We will select chat model. We'll take first 1.5 plus yes model. Now we run our chatbot and type name of cryptocurrency. The advice message will be show. To get update video, please subscribe.